Hi everyone, thanks for joining us again. Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, here to do a walk around with you on a 2019 Ford Fiesta SE. The point of our walk arounds is transparency, to show you the things that we cannot show you in our 100 high definition photos that are located on our website. If you're on our website, you want to see those photos, just scroll down, they're located below this video. If you'd like to see a detailed vehicle description, which highlights the features and options of this Fiesta, just scroll up. It's located above this video. If you're on our YouTube page, you'd like to see those. Plus, see a free CARFAX report, see the original window sticker, get financing options, or shipping for anywhere in the country, visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the end of this video, you'll be able to hear the engine running on this Ford Fiesta. Now, thank you for joining us again, and let's get to that walk around. All right, we're walking around the Fiesta. Take a look at the tread on the tires. As we go around, if I get super close to the bottom here, you can see a little discoloration from some love bug marks. Once you step back, they vanish. Right up here, there are a few very tiny touched up chips on the hood. My finger is a point of reference. As you can see, wheels are in good shape. The passenger side finish is perfect. No dents, heavy scratches, dings. Same with the hatch. And the driver's side, well above average condition for a 3-year-old 60,000 mile Fiesta. Roof looks good. Now let's take a look at the interior, shall we? All right, everyone, we're going to show you what doesn't show in our photos, which is the headliner, this side of the visors, which is in fantastic condition. No stains or scratches or rips. And then there is the top of the dash, which is in like new condition. No cracks. No broken plastics of any kind. But if you have any questions on the interior or exterior condition, please feel free to give us a call, speak to Jennifer directly, and she'll be happy to answer your questions.